Alright, this is Willie Gets with another unboxing video. Just got it in the mail today. Should be two rare pieces in here. Just picked up a few others the other day. So let's see what we got. Got enough paper, that's for sure. Alright. Give you the first one first. D and Ricky. With the case. Also has a little brochure here.
Another watch?
And here we go. It's my second black D and Ricky. This one has everything. Got the manual down here. It's the module 5146. This one is mint.
What's the Tuesday? Should be holiday or?
6 piece. So now I got two black D and Rickies. And let me grab the other box. Play cloths. I've been looking for this for quite a while. Been getting a bunch from a guy. Pretty good prices. It's got the box. Got the little case. Got the manual here. This one too. Here we go. Sick. A little dusty in the back, but this one's mint as well. Been waiting for this for so long. Saw a couple that I slept on. Then when I heard that he had this, I said I had to jump all over it. Got another video coming up pretty soon, hopefully, with a very, very limited piece that I can't wait for. Got play cloths right there. Gold buckle. Gold back plate. Only thing would have made this watch a little better is if it would have had something in the backlight. That would have just set this watch way, way above my expectations. But other than that, I love this watch. This might be my grail right here. Unless I get my other one, then that's truly my grail. So please rate, comment, subscribe. My two pickups, the play cloths, and my second D and Ricky. Might be selling the other one. I'm not sure. I might hang on to them. There's my 2 pickups for today. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Be on the lookout for some upcoming videos pretty soon. Willie gets out.